this video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, if sin⁶θ plus cos⁶θ minus 1 equals lambda times sin²θ cos²θ, then find the value of lambda. So let's get started without wasting much time. The given is sin⁶θ plus cos⁶θ minus 1 equals lambda times sin²θ cos²θ. On the left-hand side, you have sin⁶ plus cos⁶, which can be written as sin²θ cube plus cos²θ cube minus 1. We can keep the right-hand side same. On the left-hand side, now you have something like a cube plus b cube, which is same as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. And in this identity, if you replace a with sin² and b with cos², you will get sin²θ plus cos²θ cube minus 3 times sin²θ cos²θ times sin²θ plus cos²θ. And we know that sin²θ plus cos²θ is 1. So replacing sin²θ plus cos²θ with 1, by using these values, the given expression will change to 1 minus 3 sin²θ cos²θ minus 1 equals lambda times sin²θ cos²θ. And we can cancel out 1, so we'll have minus 3 sin²θ cos² equals lambda times sin² cos². And here you can cancel out cos² and sin² on both sides, and that gives you lambda equals minus 3. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.